Hi everyone, Adrienne here. What I wanted to show you this time is that this plant here started to bloom for the first time for me. Well, it actually had many more flowers, but I was a bit late making this video, so you can only see these last remaining flower buds, but I still wanted to show them to you because they are very unique. As you can see, it's not a regular shaped flower bud. It's very interesting looking. It had many more, but you can see that some of them already have fallen off from the plant. And as soon as this plant got some colder temperature, that's when it started to bloom like that. And this is the place so I am at the place of my mother's home, so this is where this started to grow, this flower stem, and with the flowers and blooming, and it was a big surprise. And since this was so new to me, I wanted to share this with you. I hope you can imagine how this looked like when it had even more flower buds on it. But this is a really pretty plant, and it feels good itself. Here it looks like. So just a bit of colder air, colder temperature made it bloom very quickly. Within 2 weeks, I think, after the move, it started to bloom. Well, this is all I wanted to share with you today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and have a beautiful day, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.